Hello everyone, welcome back to BBT Tech, and today we got the new Gen 3 AirPods by Apple. And for the first time since 2016, Apple's AirPods lineup has finally changed its shape, and in my opinion, it's for the better. The new AirPods have a longer lasting battery, a new IPX4 rating, new sensors, and multiple new features that is shared from its bigger brother, the AirPods Pros. The new shape for the AirPods are designed to fit better for most users, and Apple has stated that they did over 1,000 heat map scans for the human ears to ensure that this will fit most people. And after 3 days worth of usage, I can honestly say that these earbuds definitely do feel a lot better and sit better in my ears than the previous generation. And don't be fooled by the new and smaller shape of these AirPods though. The Gen 3s are packing big changes from their predecessors. The battery and drivers have been renewed, giving the user a 6-hour battery life for music listening and newer drivers for better sounding audio. The Gen 3s have a more nicer bass response due to the new lower distortion drivers, which has the drivers that are in a more directed position, similar to how the AirPods Pros work. And the Pros features are also being brought over to the Gen 3s like spatial audio and adaptive EQ. And with the adaptive EQ, how this essentially works is that it's automatically tuning the low and mid frequencies of the music that you're listening to the shape of your ear in real time. The spatial audio feature is also pretty cool, but to be honest, it is very distracting in my opinion, and in general, I would prefer to listen to my audio in the standard stereo configuration that it was meant to be played at. Now, the new Gen 3 is also have a new multimedia controls featuring 4 sensors from the Pros, which makes it a lot more intuitive from the old generation earbuds. To play AirPods audio, all you have to do is squeeze the stem and one of the earbuds and press twice to skip forward and 3 times to go back a track. However, we're still unfortunately stuck with saying "Hey Siri" or using our phones to change the volume of the earbuds. Now, there's also a new skin detection sensor that is now able to know when the AirPods are in your ears rather than a proximity sensor that has been used in the last 2 generations. Now, Apple hasn't forgotten too much about the microphones as well, as the new earbuds are now using an acoustic mesh to ensure the microphone has better capabilities of picking up human voices and blocking ambient wind noises. We also have a new case which is similar to the AirPods Pros, but it only comes with the wireless MagSafe charging option, so the chance of you getting a cheaper version without this feature is out of the question. And the AirPods do, however, last up to 6 hours on one charge and 30 hours of total charge time with the case. And lastly, a great feature of the AirPods Gen 3 is that it's more precise when using the Find My AirPods feature, which in my opinion, for someone like me, is a must-have available feature. Now, for the answer that everyone's been waiting for, are the AirPods worth it, and are they worth buying if you already had the Gen 2 or Gen 1 AirPods? And in my opinion, these Gen 3s are a nice upgrade. However, I definitely wouldn't recommend you buy this unless your batteries on your Gen 2 or Gen 1s are shot, and then otherwise, this is a great purchase. Now, if you're someone looking to dipping their toes in the wireless audio game, you really can't go wrong with looking at Apple's offerings. From the Gen 2s, Gen 3s, and the Pros, they have a value option for everyone here. And at the time of filming, you can buy the AirPods Pros with the older case without the MagSafe wireless charging for $10 more over the Gen 3s at a Costco or Best Buy. And that, in my opinion, is the one to go for if you have this option, since it comes with active noise cancelling, which is a very nice feature if you're in a busy area at school, work, or transportation. It just really helps out drowning out the background noise. However, if you're not that type of person to have everything drowned out around you or the in-ear style, you can look for the Gen 3s. I do have to note that the Pros do have a transparency mode, but it just feels a little bit awkward or not as comfortable in my opinion. But lastly, that is BB Tech's review of the Gen 3 AirPods, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys do, feel free to like, comment, and possibly subscribing to the channel as it helps out a lot.